Guys, as we are discussing multi-threading concepts in Python, which is very crucial in programming language. In previous tutorial, we talked how we can achieve thread synchronization wherein multiple threads are accessing shared resource at the same time. And by applying locking technique, we are able to save our shared resource. Today we have something new in the thread synchronization to understand. I'm using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. So Python file locking is a technique which is used to control access to a file by multiple process or threads. Here we will ensure that only one process or thread can access the file at any given time, preventing conflicts and data corruption. Python supports file handling and allow users to handle files, that is to write and read files. So I have very simple program which is actually writing some text on a physical file. Okay. So I have one file threading log.txt file at the same location from where this program is running. So this is a blank file if you see. Okay. If you check this program, here we have one simple function write file which is opening up a file and applying a mode which is for writing, and we are writing this text into this file. Okay, and this function we are calling at the bottom and we are printing on the output file is updated. If you run the program, file is updated is shown, and if you check the file, so file is now written. Python is a programming language. The main thread from where this program is running is actually writing this file. Now, if we talk about multiple threads, how we can share this file among multiple threads and how we can write some text by each thread. Now, next step to create multiple threads which will be writing this shared file. Okay, I have some code snippet to save some time where we are creating list of threads, right? We are iterating 15 times here and we are creating threads, right? You see, so on this list of threads we are appending our new thread. We need a threading module, import threading, right? Here what we are doing, we are creating new thread each time and we are appending this new thread to this list of thread object, and we are also starting the thread immediately, right? Here we are referring the same function write function to write some data right inside, and we are also sending one argument. You can send some argument also, thread number you can pass on here and say thread I, right? Let me remove the code from here, paste here. So it is the same program as we were doing, but the difference is we are now using multiple threads. 15 threads would be opened up and they would be starting immediately, right? We are waiting until all threads are completed. Okay, in for each we are using join function to complete all threads at least. Okay, if you run the program again, so you will see your file, so it will show you like 0 2 10 9 5. These are the thread numbers which we have passed on in the write file method. Okay, but if you notice, we had created 15 threads, but here you could see only 9 threads. This is because at the same time threads are trying to write this same resource file. So this is the problem which we are going to resolve. With help of locking technique here, we will make our these file physical file thread safe, right? So what we are going to do here, we have to just say lock, we can say threading dot lock. Threading dot lock we are going to use, and we have to just say with lock. Before writing any of the file by any of the thread, this code is logged. Okay, this is the only thing we have to do here to make our resource thread safe, right? Now if you run the program and you see the output, so you will see all your 15 threads are able to write this file, right? You see all 15 threads were executed. This is the benefit of locking technique with multiple threads which are trying to access same shared resource, right?
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.